as you would have seen there, this is my grader bumper for levelling the driveway. Don't worry about that. It's just a $60 bumper that I did a little bit of fiberglass work on, bit of spray paint, bit of rusted mesh.
I think it fits the car quite well, the theme. I'm not a fan of this. If this was my number one car, I wouldn't put this
bumper on, but it's going to be smashed off very soon anyway. But I'm going to have fun in the meantime, so why the hell not, eh?
That was the engine dying.
It fizzled.
And see a bit of black smoke now as well. It fizzled, yeah. We didn't blow a rod out the block, but it's fucked now. That was the engine dying. Now you guys won't believe this, or maybe you will if you're familiar with Toyotas. It didn't fucking die. I thought it was seized. It is still alive. Hey guys, just about to take the 3SGE out. Now, it's the craziest thing. I thought I'd assess the damage to start with, after all that knocking and thrashing, and then dying, but then starting again. I drained the oil, and not even the slightest little bit of metal in the oil, which I thought was super weird. So I thought I'd pull the pan, and we definitely have a bearing issue. Not really supposed to look like that. That was number 2. All the others seem fine. So maybe just, I don't know, maybe he just had an oiling issue there. So why it stopped during burnout? I mean, I started to think that maybe it just got choked with smoke, because the air filter is right there, and there was a fair amount of smoke you would have seen. But also looking at this, all this metal that was outside of the rod, I could imagine that it like partially seized up and then worked again, and perhaps if, you know, things had carried on, it would have seized completely and never started. But yeah, that's the damage. That's pretty crazy. Those bearings, it's supposed to look something like this. This is number 3 that I pulled out. It's quite actually, you know, still pretty good really. That bearing cap's a little bit gouged, but not really as bad as I thought it should be. That bearing's pretty fried. Yeah, I mean, really, I expected more damage, especially when it stopped. But anyway, let's get this engine out.